Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to another session of our online class. Today we are going to discuss about chapter numbers that we have done previously also. Let's take a quick recap. We previously discussed a proper definition of numbers, how to put commas between periods, and how to write numeric form of a number. So this was a quick recap. So let's discuss further. We all are familiar with place value since our childhood, aren't we? In math, every digit in a number has a place value. In math, every digit in a number has a place value. Let's see the definition of place value. Place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. Place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. Let's see an example to better understanding of place value. Okay. So here the example is, find the place value of a 4-digit number 3647. Here the number is 3647. In previous class we used to write table. We used to draw a table for giving place values of every digit in the number. So, we know the basic rule of math. We start reading numbers from right side and we start giving place values of a number from right side. So, let's start from right side. The first digit in 3647 is 7. So, 7 will come under 1, right? Now, the next second digit from right side is 4. So, it will come under tens. Then, the third digit from right side is 6. So, which come under hundreds. And the last fourth number is 3, which come under thousands. Let's see the place value chart up to the place of 10 crore according to the Indian system of numeration. So, according to the Indian system of numeration, there are 3 parts in 1, 10 and 100. Similarly, there are 2 parts under thousands, 1000 and 10,000. There are 2 parts in lakhs, 1 lakh and 10 lakh. And similarly, there are 2 parts in 1 crore and 10 crore. And as you know, these all notations, O stands for ones, T stands for tens, and H stands for hundreds, and so on. Here is a video link so you all can understand the place value system easily. Points to be remembered. See first point. The place value of a digit depends on the position of the digit in the number. It means if 3 is on the lakhs position, so it will make 3 lakhs value. If 7 is on crore position, so it will make 7 crore value. Simple. Now the second point. The place value of 0 is always 0. If we have a number 3025, so what is the place value of 0 here? It is on hundreds place, but we won't say 0 hundreds. We say its place value is 0. Okay. Now the third point. The face value of a digit is the digit itself. Here the meaning of it is, the face value of any number is the representation of itself. The face value of any number is nothing but just the representation of itself. Okay. So I will suggest you all to learn these points by heart. Okay. Let's see some examples so we understand place value deeply. In first example, what is the first example? Write the following numbers in the place value chart according to the Indian system. Here is a place value chart given in which we have to place the values. So what is the first number is given here? 3 crore 46 lakhs 53,897. So we will start from right side, as we know the basic rule of math of putting place values or giving place values. Okay. So from right side we have 7, the digit 7. So we will put it in ones. Then the second digit is 9. So it will come under 9. And then the third digit from right side is 8. So it will come under 100. The next digit is 3. It will come under 1000. Then the next digit is 5. So it will come under 10,000. And the next number is 6. So it will come under 1 lakh. And the next digit is 4. So it will come under 10 lakh. And the last digit in this whole number is 3, which comes under 1 crore. So in this manner you have to solve other examples also. Okay. So let's move on. Example number 2. Write the place value of 2 in the following numbers according to the Indian system. Here we have to write the place value of digit 2 only. So in question 2A, the number is given 1 crore 24 lakh 67,458. So in this number we don't have to write place values of every digit. We just have to write the place value of 2 only. So it is coming on the 10 lakhs position. See, you can count from right side and you can find out it is coming on 10 lakhs position. So we will write its solution as 20 lakh, or we will give the reason since 2 is in the 10 lakhs place value. Okay. And rest 2 examples you can understand and solve also. Now let's move to example number 3. That is, find the difference between the place value and the face value of 8 in the number 6 crore 84 lakhs 97,005. Okay. So here we have to find out the place value of 8, and then we have to find out the face value of 8, and in last we have to find out the difference of these two values. Okay. So first we will start from place value of 8. So in the number 6 crore 84 lakhs 97,005, we will start from finding the place value of 8. So the place value of 8 in the number is equal to 80 lakhs, as 8 is on the place of 10 lakhs. So its place value is 80 lakhs. Okay. Now the face value is very easy to find out. The face value of any digit is always itself. Okay. So the face value of 8 is equals to 8. Now we have to subtract 8 from 80 lakhs. So after subtraction we will get 79 lakhs 99,992. Okay. Now here is the topic, what is expanded form of any number. Expanded form is simply related to place value of any number. In simple words, we can say if you are asked to find expanded form, you can take out the place values of every digit of that number in terms of addition. Okay. Let's see expanded form by solving the example. The example is here. Write in the expanded form. and the first number is given here 5,16,78,523. So we have to find the expanded form of this. So for finding the expanded form of this number, we will find out the place value of every digit of this number. So we will write 5,16,78,523 is equal to the place value of 5 first of all, that is 5 crore. So we will write 5 crore, then plus place value of 1, that is 10 lakh, plus the place value of 6, that is 6 lakh, plus the place value of 7, that is 70,000, plus the place value of 8, that is 8,000, plus the place value of 5, that is 500, plus the place value of 2, that is 20, plus the place value of 3, that is 3 itself. Okay, so this is the expanded form of the number 5,16,78,523. Now see example number 5. Write in the short form. In this example, we have to find out the short form of a particular number. And here we are given with the expanded form of that number. So in example 5a, we are given with 80 crore plus 6 crore plus 30 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 70,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 10 plus 2. So this is the expanded form of a particular number. For finding short form of it, we just have to pick the first digit of those place values. Okay, so see, in example, the place value is 80 crore. So pick the first digit, that is 8. So we will write 8 plus 6 crore is given there. So we will pick the first digit, that is 6. So we will write 6 plus the next is 30 lakh. So in this place value, we are given with 3 is the first number. So we will pick 3. Then 5 lakh in which we will pick 5 plus 70,000. From this we will pick the first digit 7 plus 4,000. From 4,000 we will pick first digit 4 plus 900. So from it we will pick 9 plus 10. So from 10 we will pick first digit 1 plus 2. So we get the number as a short form 86 crore 35 lakh 74,912. So the explanation of it. So this is the assignment number 2. I hope you all will solve it and don't make silly mistakes. Solve it carefully, okay?